What's up winners, welcome back to another video. Check this out, guys. So these are birds, as you can see. Let's go as close as possible and see, but they're really dangerous. They might bite. Oh, they're so eager to bite. So these are ostriches, guys. Oh, these are so many ostriches. So this is a ostrich farm somewhere in Kenya. So let me know if you guys want to know where this place is. Please comment below if you want to know where you can come and see these ostriches and how much the prices are and everything. Okay, let's take a tour, guys. So believe it or not, these ostriches are 3 months old. They are only 3 months old. Wow. Wow. And one of these is like 100,000 Kenyan shillings. One is 100,000 Kenyan shillings. A egg is 3,000 shillings. Let me know, guys, would you buy this? Would you buy the egg, the shell, or the ostrich? So the shell goes for 1,000. The egg goes for 3,000. And the ostrich is 100,000. Wow. Okay, let's take a tour, guys. Let's go. As you can see, this place is over 300 acres. It's big, it's huge, and it's full of ostriches. So today, guys, I'm coming straight out of the ostrich farm. Yeah, check out the ostriches. Whoa, there's a small one here. What's up? Come on. Oh, they don't like me. I know what you're asking, guys. You want to know where I've been, where I've not been posting videos. But here we are at the ostrich farm. I was like, you guys should see this. Let me know if you want to know where I've been, or if I should make a video telling you guys where I've been. Oh, check out that guy. I don't know what he's eating. Wow, let's see. What the heck? He wants to swallow a whole stick. Whoa, that's crazy. They are playing a game. Let's call this an ostrich game. Look. So these ones are like 6 months old. And guys, these ostriches mature at 3 years. And they can live up to 35 years. Okay, so let's go and see the mature ones. Let's go. Let's keep walking, guys. Keep going. Let's keep going. Wow. So like I said, this place is like 200 to 300 acres. And it's an ostrich farm. It's in Kajiado County. Yeah, somewhere in Kitengela. You can Google it and you see. So as you can see, guys, these are the mature ones. And they are so big. These ostriches are really huge. Wow. Wow, wow. That guy is like 3 meters high, man. What? It's really big. Oh my god, that ostrich is big, guys. Wow, wow, wow. I believe that's a male ostrich. And as you can see, guys, I'm safe because there is a wiring there. There is electric wiring. Now he's impressing us. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Check out his feet. Those are really huge feet. And yeah, I think he's displaying some territorial stuff. He wants to fight, eh? I should not go any closer. Wow. Wow. So, guys, let me know what you think he's doing, eh? What do you think he's doing? Is he displaying some sort of territory because he has 2 females over there? Or is he just doing it for fun? Wow. I think he's like, yo, come closer and you'll see. Let's not go any closer, guys. Let's not go any closer. Whoa. Check him out. Very big bird. That's a lot of meat. Okay, let's keep going, guys. So as you can see, he has 2 females over there. The farm is huge, guys. It's huge. There's ostriches over and everywhere. Just ostriches everywhere. And these are the mature ones. They're about 3 years. Just see how tall that ostrich is. Really tall. Oh my god, that ostrich is tall. I think that thing can kill a lion. It's really big. It looks dangerous. But too bad he can't fly. Okay, can't fly. Okay, let's continue with the tour, guys. Let's just continue walking at the ostrich farm. I don't know. Should we go this way or we go this way? I think we should go this way. Ah, there's another one. Just behaving like a big chicken. He's just behaving like a big chicken. That's also a male. And it looks like there are more males than females. I think these ones are breeding. They are breeding so that you can make more baby ostriches. So guys, let me know if you want to see an egg. Who wants to see an ostrich egg? If you want to see an ostrich egg, just keep watching the video. And also, just subscribe. My name is Victor Gatobu, and thank you for watching the video. And I make such vlogs. I do travel vlogs, local travel vlogs in Kenya. And I also do drives, road trips, and more interesting stuff. Okay, today we are going to see an ostrich egg. Guys, so for those who are joining, this is Ostrich farm in Kitengela. Just going round, and we are taking a farm tour. We are just going round to see the ostriches. Can't believe this is so magical, guys. This is so magical. If you have never seen an ostrich, I highly recommend that you should come to Ostrich farm in Kitengela. This is another male doing his dance. See, he's right there doing the dance. Then you can see so many other ostriches everywhere. It's just, I believe they have like over 500 ostriches. They have so many ostriches. So many. Okay, now the female is coming. Let's see where it's. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think I should keep my distance. Because now they are coming. That's a male. And that's a female ostrich. Wow. They're just doing their thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. Let's go. Let's go, guys. If you think this is interesting, let me know below, guys. Have you ever seen an ostrich? Whoa, 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 whoa. Keep your distance, buddy. Keep your distance. Guys, this thing is so huge. It's so huge. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, like, my height is like here. Look at him. Oh. Now let's see the feet. Check out the feet. Oh. That's a really huge nail over there. Are they called nails or what? Oh, those are claws. Wow. That bird is huge. Really huge. So guys, I'm going to take a picture with an ostrich. If you are not following me on Instagram, just search Victor Gatobu. Well, let's see the ostrich ride. Go. That's how our ostrich ride looks like. Wow. So the ostrich ride is 500 Kenyan shillings. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Yes. Yeah. How was it? That's an ostrich ride. Yeah, so guys, it's time to see the chicks. Let's go and see the chicks. So the chicks should be about 2 months, 1 month, 1 month. So these chicks, you're not supposed to feed them. It says kindly do not feed the chicks. Okay, there they come. So these are the ostrich chicks and they're about 1 month old. Wow, here they come, just like dinosaurs. So when they are born or when they hatch, they are all around grayish color. They are all grayish in color. But once they are like 6 months, sorry for the wind guys, but I'm saying these chicks are 1 month old and they are all gray in color. But once they will reach 6 months, some will turn black, others will remain gray. So the ones that turn black will be the males and the ones that are gray will be the females. So that's how our ostrich chick looks like. Now let's go and see the eggs and then we'll be done with the tour. Guys, if you want to come to the ostrich farm, I'll leave the Google Maps location here. And the tour is 300 shillings. The ostrich ride is 500 shillings. A shell is 1,000. A real egg is 3,000 Kenyan shillings. And a full 6-month grown ostrich is 100,000 Kenyan shillings. Yes. So we have not fed the chicks. Now let's go and see an egg. Yeah. That's the ostrich egg, guys. Check this out. Whoa. This is the ostrich egg. But this is just a shell. It's really huge. Okay, let me show you how huge this is. That's how huge the shell is. Check it out. Whoa. Okay, let me take the thumbnail, guys. That's the thumbnail for this video. Thank you for watching the video. Guys, thank you for supporting me. You can subscribe, leave a like. Let's go. Yeah, so just put that back. See you guys in the next video. Bang.